Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is Afro Round Cut. I will be working on it. So guys, if today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome. The next thing you have to do to be part of this family is to subscribe to this family. Turn your notification bells, turn it on, so that whenever I post, you'll be the first person to see it. And always like, comment and share our videos. And if you know that you have anybody that you are not stingy, make sure you tell people about this channel. Let them come and benefit from this channel. Let them come and learn, because it's good to have handwork at hand. It's good to have handwork, because there is a place you will go to, you will not like anyhow person to touch your hair or touch your kids hair. But through this channel you are going to learn. Even if you don't want to use it to start a business, or you want to know it for your own sake, you use them barb. You learn how to barb your kids, your wife, or your husband. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Like, I normally tell you people that whenever you want to cut any hair and the hair is bushy, make sure you comb the hair thoroughly. Comb it well to know how the hair grows, to know the texture of the hair. Then I've sterilized my clipper. Now you brush down the hair. The first guideline you are going to create, you join the blade together. I always told you guys, you join the blade together. Make sure the teeth are well joined together to create the first guideline, which is skin. Carry the blade up, as in carry the clipper up. Watch my hand, raise it up, and make sure you are brushing off the hair that is coming out to know how the skin is going. So look at what I'm doing. Be watching my hand. To be a good barber, once you know how to hold clipper, handle clipper, you are good to go. Look at what I did there now. I've turned the clipper downward to skin it. Remember, the first thing I did, I carry it up. Now I've turned it down and I'm skinning it. So make sure you're following how my hand is going. Brush the hair, watch it very well. Don't be in a haste whenever you are barbing hair. Take your time. I'm taking my time to make this video for you all. Understand? The second guideline, you open the blade, let it be on low cut. Look at what I'm doing. You create another guideline. Look at what I'm doing. You saw what I did there. I opened the blade, it's on low cut. You create a second guideline. If you look closely, you will know that the first guideline was skin, and there is line there. The second one is what? Low cut. I open the blade. Watch very well. Watch how my hand is going. Watch how I'm doing it. The third thing you need to do is to pick up your step one and start your clipper. Close it. You close it. Let it be on screen, but it's under step one. You create another guideline. Take it. Make sure you are texturing it very well. Make sure you are texturing it very well. And as you are doing it, make sure you are brushing the hair down to know how the blending is going. You can see that the blending is coming out small and we are not yet done. No, it's coming out small. Watch it. Watch what I'm doing. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment anything. Now we want to do another guideline. You open it, you put it on low cut. What the way I'm flipping my hand, what the way I'm flipping it, what the way I'm holding my clipper. You see it? If you don't do it very well, you chop the hair inside and you start blending the hair. It will not suit the round cut. Watch what I'm doing. Watch the way I'm doing it. The way I'm flipping my hand up. Watch it. Understand? Watch it. Don't overdo it. If you overdo it, it will chop the hair. Understand? So take it slowly. After that, you turn your clipper downward to blend the tip of those blend. Those places that you blended, you turn your clipper down to blend it down again. It's still under what? Low cut. and it's still where under step 1. Watch what I'm doing. Can you see the blend is coming out? You take your time. Barbing is all about patience. I told you guys, and it's all about calculation. You see what I'm doing? Everything here is all about calculation. So what I'm doing, you blend it down, blend it down. The tip, oh, don't go inside, don't go inside, oh. The tip, and make sure you are brushing it to see how what you are doing is going. After that, you remove the step 1 ordinary blade on low cut. You turn it. Watch if you see. Did you notice something, that this hair is very very soft and it's stubborn? When you are barbing soft hair, if you not take if you don't texture it very well, it's not going to blend very well. Watch what I'm doing. See the way I turn my clipper. The hair is very very soft, and software is always hard to blend, but some people don't know that. So watch what I'm doing. See the way I'm blending it down. All those the tip. Watch my hand. Watch what I'm doing. Understand? Watch what I'm doing. So guys, don't forget, the only thing you can do for me is to what? Is to subscribe, like, comment, share, so that YouTube will know that through I'm imparting knowledge to people. I'm just happy because a lot of people have been commenting that with few of my tutorial, they're able to barb. One guy told me that he has been learning barbing for 7 months and they have not teach him anything. That only twice that he handled clipper, and they allow him to barb skin, just skin. But he told me that he has stopped going there after he discovered my channel. That since he has been watching all my tutorials, that he's very very good at what he's doing. Understand? So it's not. I'm trying my best. I'm not the best though, but I'm trying my best. Understand? We learn every day. So any channel that you see, I'm not forcing you to follow my channel or to subscribe to my channel, but any channel that you see that is giving you what you want, stick to that channel. If my channel is giving what you want, stick to it. Subscribe, become one of the family of this channel. Understand? Take your time to make sure you clean off any line. After each guideline, there is always a line. So you take your time to clean it up. Understand? Take your time to clean all those lines. Don't go inside. Don't let the blending go inside. Then see the way I'm trimming the hair, the side. See the way I'm trimming it. Don't mind me. It's because of the way I mount the tripod. The tripod is obstructing my balance, so I didn't balance very well. So that's why you see me doing like this. Where I supposed to stay and be barbing, that is where I put the tripod. And the tripod is not that good, so I'm managing it. But thank God that at least we are seeing what we are doing. Understand? So watch what I'm doing very well. Barbing is very very good. It's very very sweet. It's not hard. Once you know how to set your blade, I'm going to make video on that. Someone has commented on that. Once you know how to set your blade, how to handle clipper, how to move your hand, rotate your hand, how to use steps, when to use it and when not to use it. Bro, sis, you are good to go. You love barbing. Like me, barbing used to give me joy. I love barbing. Understand? I love barbing. I can't see. I can't. If I'm not doing anything and I want to barb someone's hair, I can spend like 5 hours on one person's hair, because I'll just be playing. I'll just be playing with it, with the hair. And the more I'm playing with it, I'm discovering more skills. You understand? So now I want to trim the up. You put it on low cuts. You put it on low cuts. When you become professional, when you are good, then you can put it on skin and still trim it without any mistake. But now put it on low cuts. Understand? You trim it small. Follow how the direction that the hair is going. You follow it very well. Understand? See, this channel, you will not regret becoming part of this channel. Understand? Please Share to your friends, invite your friends, let them come and learn. In this era that we are now, you have to know how to do one thing or the other, and mostly barbering should be a necessity. Each family is supposed to have somebody that knows how to barb because of necessity. Understand? See what I'm doing? It's under low cuts. Understand? Watch how my hand is moving. Once you are good at holding clipper, you are good to go. Nothing, there is nothing you cannot barb. Most of my boys, once they start, when they come together, they want to learn, they start today. I get just 1 week is like the other one, 4 days I just gave him clipper. He was shaking. I said, no, Bob. I was there. I was just directing him. Within 1 month, all my boys, most of them, most of the style, they have started barbing it. Understand? But not that their hand is strong, but the more you are doing something, the more your hand is going to be strong. Say you get, but they are good. So just be focused, be determined. Nothing is too hard. Nothing is hard. You are the only one that can make something hard for you. But once you are determined, you are focused, you have the Z. Don't do something, don't learn something that because of your friends are doing it, you will not be good at it. If it's something that is your Z that you love, eh, you will be good at it. This is the final touch. Look at it. That is all. Simple. If you love this, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.